Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where switch out of S mode is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now here's what you have to do. First of all, we have a script for you to reset Windows Update components. All you need to do is copy this script and then you can search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Okay, it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of software distribution in cat-root2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart all the services. Okay, so this is the right method, and I'll tell you one thing. If you check through the internet, you will find a lot more methods like updating Windows, etc., etc. Okay, we will update Windows, but then there are a lot more methods which are about restarting the services. Now, the script that I shared will cover all of these methods in one script. That is why I'm suggesting this script. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.